Email marketing is no longer just about sending newsletters. Modern businesses need automation, landing pages, AI-generated content, and customer journeys that actually convert. In this review, we're taking a look at Getresponse, an all-in-one marketing platform that combines email marketing with AI-powered automation. Is it worth using in 2026? Let's find out. Getresponse is designed for businesses, creators, and online stores that want to manage their marketing from one dashboard. Besides email campaigns, the platform includes AI email generation, landing page creation, sign-up forms, autoresponders, marketing automation, webinars, and even tools for building and selling online courses. The AI features help generate email copy, create campaigns faster, and reduce the amount of manual work required. One of the biggest advantages is its automation builder. You can create workflows based on customer actions, such as email opens, purchases, or website visits. This makes it much easier to personalize campaigns and improve engagement without constantly managing everything yourself. The platform also integrates with many popular e-commerce and CRM tools. Now let's talk about pricing. Getresponse offers a 14-day free trial. The starter plan costs €16 per month and includes unlimited emails, AI content generation, landing pages, and basic automation. The marketer plan is €54 per month, adding advanced automation and e-commerce tools. The creator plan costs €62 per month and includes webinars, a website builder, and course creation features. Larger businesses can choose the enterprise plan with custom pricing. There are a few drawbacks. As your contact list grows, subscription costs increase, and some of the most powerful automation features are only available on higher-tier plans. New users may also need some time to learn all the tools because the platform includes much more than email marketing alone. Overall, Getresponse is one of the most complete AI-powered marketing platforms available today. If you're looking for email marketing, automation, landing pages, and AI tools in one place, it's definitely worth considering for your business in 2026.